I'm going to the airport.
Have a good flight. Kids, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I'm so tired of them.
Sir, would you like some champagne?
No, thank you.
Sorry, I'll wipe everything up now. Sir, how I can make up my mistake?
You've already made up for it.
I still feel bad about it.
Mwah.